Day in the crafty cooking life of the second best worst YouTuber. Diamond painting, crafty, not artistic, crazy cat lady. Welcome to my day in the crafty cooking life. Second best worst YouTuber, somehow doing it right. Diamond painting nights, drills on my hands. Crafty, not artistic, but I've always got a plan. Crazy cat lady with the camera in her hand. Come hang out and see the mess I accidentally planned. Learning to love myself, crown getting polished bright. Working on my glow, becoming the queen I know I am inside. Please like and subscribe to this Hot Mess Express.
Hey y'all, I told you we would be doing a Five Below haul. So let's see what's in the bag. I got these peelers, and I've got a few in here. I don't know where the others are. They're in here somewhere. I don't know how they put all of this stuff in one bag, but I got these peelers. There's 5 pieces for 100 calories, 1 protein, too much sugar, way too much carbs. But that's okay. It's a candy. And this one is mango. No, this one's pineapple. It was like so many for so much, so I got them. And how much did I spend on this whole bag? This whole bag was $93.83 with tax. Okay. So, um, I got a mask for a little bit of self-care. So that will be fun to try. See what that one's like. This one has hyaluronic acid, retinol, and caffeine in it, formulated with black tea and vitamin C. All skin types. Okay. Cruelty free. No mineral oils. Travel friendly. Okay. Revive and energize. So we're going to try that. See how that goes. I grabbed 2 of the Legendary Protein Donuts. I love Legendary Protein Donuts. Love the ones with chocolate on it, but this is cinnamon crumble and vanilla glazed. We'll see how that goes. Just to see. I also got a blueberry Pop-Tart type situation. I got a caramel sticky bun from Legendary. And this is the regular cinnamon protein sweet roll. I love the fact that Legendary is now at Five Below. I just did. Here's another thing of peelers. There's a passion fruit. I picked up a Bloom Pop Rocket Blast. Gonna try that. It's a probiotic drink. I got a protein brownie. This one is Dubai chocolate flavor. I think some of these protein snacks are going to go to work with me. I picked up some black cherry icebreakers gum. I don't always chew gum because after a while it hurts my jaw and starts giving me a headache. But we'll see. These are lychee pillars. Here's the one that I can get at Walmart that I like. It's the chocolate dipped protein donut. I got some other protein snacks. Let's see. Barbell birthday cake. I haven't tried that one. Here is another of the birthday cake. I got 2 of the caramel cashew barbell protein. They're 200 calories, but there's 20 grams of protein. Then I got 2 of the cookies and cream. So we're going to see how those are. They also had Built Bars, so I got 1 cookies and cream, and I got 1 Sour Puff Blue Raz Blast. So those are probably going to go to work with me. And then I got blind boxes. I'm loving the blind boxes. So I have Snape. So let's see what else I have. Let's see what else I got. Because I'm stoked to figure it out. I would love one of the little critters. I can tell you that. Especially since I have Snape. But let's see. We'll see what. Okay, it's in a black bag that I had forgotten. Okay, it's a person with a hat. I think it's a person with a hat on. Maybe. Let's see. Why struggle? Just use the box opener. No, it's a critter. Oh, it's one of the dragons. Look. I felt this, so I thought it was like the top of a hat. Oh, I'm so excited I got a creature. And that is 1 out of 12 chance of getting him. Snape was 1 out of 6. So now I have Snape and a creature and a dragon. So that's fabulous. So I'm going to put them over there right now. Okay, and then I got some more Disney cats. Because I have these 2. Let's go. I missed the trash can. I got 3 more. And this one right here, I cannot even see that. Mooch. And of course, this is Lucifer. Lucifer is from Lady and the Tramp. So let's see what these 3 are. Let's just see what these 3 are. I'm excited. Okay, so Lucifer and Mooch. Is Mooch red or something? Kind of looks like he would be in red. Okay. I'm not looking at the card. So I don't know if the card tells me. Is this Figaro? It might be Figaro. It's Figaro. I love Figaro. And I gotta find how to put that one in. There's this other footsie. Look how I'm on the struggle bus trying to get him on his little stand. Y'all. Really? I can't. Oh, there we go. Yep, Figaro. All right. So I've got Figaro, Mochi, or Mochi, and Lucifer. I'm going to hold on to this in case a friend of mine wants it. Let's see which one this is. I haven't seen any more of these at Five Below. You see? Right? Yes. Grr. And I have an orange cat. Bobby Ray is something. Okay. So I got Oliver. All right. Which one is this going to be? Another Oliver. All right. So only one double out of, I purchased a total of 6 between 2 visits. And I only have one double. That's not terrible. I wish I had gotten the Cheshire Cat. I may give this one to a friend of mine. Because she loves kitty cats. So I may give her Oliver. She's an orange cat. And she loves my Bobby Ray. So the only 2 I don't have are Marie and the Cheshire Cat. I would have liked to have gotten the Cheshire Cat. But I'm good. I have 4 little cuties. Lucifer. Oliver times 2. Mochi. And Figaro. All right, one more blind box, y'all. One more blind box. We picked up a Winnie the Pooh. There are a multitude of Winnie the Poohs. There is a Unvalentine's, Pajamas, Rainy Day, Pilot, Sailor, and King. I don't have my glasses on. I don't have my glasses on. Okay. Which one did we get? We got Rainy Day. Yay. Awesome. He's so cute. Okay. So that is my Five Below haul, y'all. I got lots of protein snacks. I got 3 bags of peelers to try. I got me some gum. I got me some blind boxes. I think I did a pretty good little haul for under $100. Because not everything at Five Below is 5 and below. Not now. Not anymore. I think I'm going to go run put this in the fridge so it can get cold. I'm going to put some of these protein snacks in my bag going to work tomorrow. Because it is Sunday. And later on, I am going to record another little video that probably will come out later this week. I hope you have all had a great, fabulous week and weekend, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.
Thanks for adding the Hot Mess Express when needed.